The tragedy here is that New York State, New York City, is the only place in this country that has this law. Illinois was the last state to eliminate this law in 1995. To me, this is a gift to the trial lawyers at the expense of minority and women-owned businesses. My name is James Heyliger. I'm the president of the Association of Minority Enterprises of New York, statewide, 39-year-old trade association, which mission is primary procurement advocacy, legislative advocacy, and technical assistance for capacity building for MWBEs. My membership is around 200. It's a cross-section of contractors and professional services and service providers, anywhere from a daycare center to a general contractor to an architect to other small businesses. We deal with startups as well. And the reason why I'm here today is to put some truth into the lie that's been spread upon our community that seems to have some of our own legislative supporters in flux about what's really good for our community. This law 240 is so detrimental to our community and our constituents that we need to put some truth to the light. This particular legislation, unless modified, will do two serious things to our respective communities. One, it will eliminate over $100 million worth of work in our community in the arena of construction from major agencies, whether that be an authority or something like School Construction Authority. It in fact will cut back on the employment in School Construction Authority, for example. There are two programs over $100 million that we will be wiped out of if the capital budget for them has to be changed. When you eliminate the minority business community, you do two things. You deprive us of the talent and the expertise that we have to offer to the city. You deprive us of the ability to move around and take care and support our families and educate our children as well. This affects us all the way down the line. We hire most of the people in construction. The minority, women, business community hire most of the people that are in construction. You walk on any construction site in the city of New York, and you only find one of us every 20. Now, if you eliminate that one, what are we left with in this town? It also affects our educational system, because the School Construction Authority, which has provided the most businesses of any agency in this state for minority and women-owned businesses, if they have to cut back or cut us out of their program, or if they have to bring us in to try to facilitate us, then they have to cut back on the amount of schools that they can build and repair. I'm hoping to appeal to the Black, Puerto Rican, and Latino Asian caucus to come on our side and hear from us as to why you should approach the governor and have the governor to not go along with this law as currently written. We believe in safety, jobs, and justice. Those are our three mottos here. Safety, jobs, and this drastically affects our educational system and our economic system. We would expect in an election year that the governor clearly understands why we need his support on this issue.